Hello, my name is Juan Cortez. I am the founder and director of the Spanish Language Center, and I would like to briefly explain to you how our teaching methodology works, the Cortez method. It is normal for new students to our school to have questions about us, being the most common one asked, what makes the Spanish Language Center better than other Spanish schools? What makes you guys different and unique? The answer is simple, our method. We have an effective method that will help you become a Spanish speaker very fast. And we know this because we've been doing it since 2001. Regardless of your level, we will make sure you have a solid foundation that will allow you to speak in past, present, and future with the 7 basic actions of communication. These actions are what we use in our everyday life to express either intention, as when we say we're going to do something, or obligation when we say we have to do something, or desire when we say we want to do something, and or capability when we say we can do something. Before I continue, let me give you a few examples of this. With intention, we say things like, I am going to eat, I'm going to work, what are you going to do, who's going to come? With obligation, we say things like, I have to work, he has to sell his house, they have to buy another car. With desire, we can say things like, what do you want to eat? Where do you want to go? Who wants to buy this? With capability, we say things like, I can't go, combined maybe with obligation, because I have to work. The 5th basic action of communication is the progressive, which allows us to express actions that we are doing. Like, for example, what are you doing? I am working. Where is he living? Who is going to the party? The 6th basic action is to like, and the 7th is the compound, which opens the door to the past when we say that we have done something. Let me explain the past a little more. When talking about the past, we can talk about the things that we did, the things that we used to do, or the things that we have done. The first 2 are tenses, and the last option is the easiest to express and apply, and that's why we learned this one. You will learn these 7 basic actions of communication with only 16 classes of an hour and a half for a total of 24 hours of class instruction. In these classes, you will also include the important articles like the, these, that, some. We will also explain and practice nouns in order for you to clearly understand everything about their gender and how to combine them with related modifiers. We will also work with question words like what, where, when, who, and others. You will also learn your prepositions in, on, at, and others. You will also learn the most important adverbs of time like today, tomorrow, tonight. You will learn to tell time, express dates, deal with days. Progressively, we combine all the material learned in order to say things like, what are you going to do tonight? Or who's going to travel with you next week? With the building blocks learned, there will be an unlimited number of combinations of phrases and questions that will allow you to comfortably speak in the past, present, and future. At the same time, your comprehension will improve significantly. Everything mentioned up to now is what we cover in our starting level, which is called the introductory. If you feel you are beyond this level, we will gladly provide you with an assessment to start at a more advanced level. With our other levels, students master the different tenses. For example, with our beginner level 1, you will master the present tense. With the beginner level 2, the preterite, then the imperfect tense, the conditional and future, and of course the subjunctive tenses as well. As you may have seen in our website, we are the only school that guarantees results. We can do this because our method, time and time again, proves to work. To this day, we have not had one student say otherwise. Okay? We want you to be able to have an effective, a positive, a happy experience of learning. We want it to be fun, and we want you to walk out of every class, which is what happens, feeling that you've learned something new, that it does make sense, and that it's applicable. Give us a shot. We also offer free trials of classes. Give us a call, 312-345-0225. Thank you very much, and looking forward to speaking to you soon.